Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have got something super useful for anyone thinking about starting a building project. We are talking about a way to save some serious cash with a special 5% VAT. Yes, you heard that right. Not the usual 20%, but just the 5% on some building projects. So stick around because you are going to want to catch every bit of this. VAT is basically a tax added to most of the things we buy, and it's usually 20%. But if you are converting a non-residential building into homes, such as a barn conversion, or changing the number of dwellings within a property, for an example, converting a house into multiple flats, or vice versa, or renovating a residential property that has been unoccupied over 2 years, you might be sitting on a gold mine of savings. Remember that this benefit applicable only to the builder service and material. So standalone purchases and certain other services will incur the standard VAT. To get this awesome deal, you can't just say your project fits. You need to show some proof. If your project is about making an old house back to life, having records like council tax bill helps. And if you are changing what the building is used for, you will need stuff like planning permission from the planning office. Sometimes you even need a special paper that says your project is good to go for the 5% rate, especially if it is a place where people are going to live together like care homes. Let's make it real with some examples. Imagine turning an empty building into cozy home or fixing up a house that's been forgotten for years. Doing this not only brings the building back to life, but also saves you money because of the lower rate. So imagine the impact on your finances. For a 65,000 renovation project, attracting only 3,250 in VAT if 5% apply, compared to 13,000 if 20% apply. That's a massive saving of £9,750 staying in your pocket. It's a common misunderstanding that individuals can find the difference between the 5% and the 20% VAT rates from HMRC. In reality, the 5% rate is directly applied by the builder, and no further rebates are available. So the application of the 5% rate can get complex, particularly when changing the number of dwellings in a property. For an example, converting a 3-flat building into 5 flats doesn't automatically qualify the entire project for the reduced rate. The VAT reduction applies floor by floor based on the change in the number of flats per floor. Dealing with VAT stuff can seem a bit scary, but it is all about being organized. So make sure you have the right papers to prove your project can get 5% rate. Buying your building materials through your builder is a smart move because you save more with the lower VAT. Also, thinking about getting everything done under one contract if you can, like design and building work together, because it could all be covered by the lower VAT, saving you even more money. And that's the end of how to take advantages of 5% VAT rate for your building project. Knowing when you can use it, having the right documents, and understanding these tips can really help to cut the cost. If you found this video useful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and feel free to share your thoughts or questions below. See you next time, and happy saving on your project.